Odofo me akwaba edeba Adom TV. Jumede we Nkuranhyensem ya wutie wo somfo Apostle Dr. Nita Kotego. What to say? We adishia mapa. Another me deba making breakthroughs in life. Say akwasidia si wabrabomu na obwatra na wanya no aduro. You see, breakthroughs are possible through thinking patterns. Breakthroughs are not possible through prayer, fasting, no. Breakthroughs are possible through thinking patterns. Nyobo wo no odwene say mo mai me odwene ho say mo mai nye wi na adwene ene Kenya ne ye e no so obo say ne so ti die nti na wo de wa brabo de mpaabo de mama enya breakthrough. Your breakthroughs are through your thinking patterns. Another me no ka say wo hia gana ni abrante bia ana baba we bia no bisan say dear pa na hia wa obete give me money, give me employment, give me a car, give me an iPhone, give me a good marriage. We share babawa. And our brand TB said, dear partner, open na sika, adwuma pa, kai, phone and a board ne, and our warrior pa, sika, adwuma pa, kai, phone and a board ne our pa, a jinas, a dream or bejunaso. Ye antini duaso, and I could no form no when you sika. Now, as I can say, give me a thought to change my life. There's someone listening to me right now who is one thought away from an invention. Bibu wa ubeti mdo abrabayo. Ni uba Ghana ubeto say politician onye sikantem, lawyer waje abudni, musician waye famous, one footballer onye no ho. Enti wadwene nyina kwa say manya politician amaya lawyer, manya lawyer amaya footballer. When you're footballer, a musician, you were not made a politician. You were not made a lawyer. You were made something unique. And to be the car beer and a human warrior. A dream band and our dream process to make Kenya no now so be bisunko. The problem we have as a people is that most of us have become photocopies when we were made original. O sombo, o dimu, o sefata, o yasoronko. Nika say bibi surunku tu mu a apare wo esan say da bia da na wo probi de no ayo o bi wa me say me pese me yese ni pessimesi obetimi ahwe ni pessimesi abrabo so abu aye wo de na beda surunku no. We are all unique. We all have unique noses. Nostrils. Wo da surunku wa dwene kura wo na guma dwen proso, and therefore don't think like you can become me. Emre bi na me kai say catch me not tunyum a friend say Bob Marley. Hello, or can't you hear? Oh, we are the baby by so by said papa, or to you I want to me anyo. The banner is Zigi Mali. A son said, or no, Bob Malintino. One to you, Bob Mali, and to Uncle Nim. Obian the Juma, or the baby, I say. Obiadi nim dia, the Ashumu. Obiani or Papa, a gumu. Na essence what so apple be the Ayentino, and no brande. Ebia won't put the Bob, you say by Pabwa. And then put by a batons a matarium. And I be a boss, so the baby bisunko. Now, essence won't do she call enkumu, every day I be a man for the Gino, and I'm a brabo obre. Tisawa dear, nya papa de o mammy, and I dear weary. Nya mammy de your papa, and I dear ukunu. Went to me and transfer me, say, na awa dear no, the Nina swan dear wahin, and Nija Bama diemu, the Nina swan day. The Nana Nani Maja, ayo and my dear chili. Neda would tell me. Be bia or abrabomua, ababo abramum. When you sow into the kingdom and expect a manna from heaven, you are on a disappointment journey. And Father, Lord, dada hokwa. And paboya juma, but the can be uncle Ponsa Papa Mammy Yansa, ni adwene, ni susuya, met me na sakraba bomu, na abrabo ayakra, mammy will be. Ask God for a thought. Ask God to give you an idea. Ask God to give you a wisdom, understanding to change things, or a strategy to make the greatest things to happen in life. That's the only time you have lived your life as somebody created in the image of God. Here, wabana also ni subano. Bema beti mafanwa ushana because ye na meja ade wetu ho. Sa bema na also onye no. Obabi beti na tena na brabo masakra. Wonya hunu se nipa ne tinti no, so nipa bone. sabi wutimi ehunu sadia ye ne mpanin didi a na yesi sadia ahoro won sa yesi won mpanin didi ene nyina no se wodwina adwene pa na wo san kwampa won yesi wunu won sa horo a na won mpanin didi me se da be kya se ne se wodwina adwene pa na wo san kwampa. Somebody can take where you have failed and turn things around. Baby, I watch now. Wusuno, obi jina hawa wasere. Besides, I didn't know what they when you are me dem. Somebody can take that. One seminar will use to say no. Obi no yoye. Seminar do jare na obi na yoye. Ka wuti obi na yoye. Atade a shawe obi na pam ye. Ni awo dwene ne say, what can I also do? One me say ka wuti mo ba adwuma obi na yoye. Oshu a wo shawo obi na yoye. Even me chichi ya shemi obi na yoye. Me so de na metimi aya ka brabo ho na obi so ipe bia ka say nipa we oye we mame. If you can think, you can move your life from where you are. You are made a creator to create things. You are not made to just consume. You have a mandate to follow your vision. No say, let us make man, woman and woman. Let us make you, Priscilla, Ajua. Let us make you, Ejampedu. Let us make you, Akusia, Abna, and Empo, Kwame Nikweku. In our image, said the tier, said I'm about to dominate. So obedi ade nyina nim. So nipa nya Yakopon de ma we kendini. So we ra o kendini susum na, but na kwa amabrabo. Enti obia o tie me ne day. Bisa so o kendini susum na kwhye he to dominate and subdue. So obehya ade nyina so, wo hia, awreho, ankoyie, obehye so, and to be fruitful. Now, in other words, to be able to enjoy life, you must be creative. You must be able to be innovative. And innovation is an idea. And ideas are born out of the thinking patterns you hold. Until you develop a mindset to change your life, you shall remain as you are forever. You were created a dominant figure over your life circumstances. Me say Ghana, ahochire mbae. Wa dwene ya wo sa. Ahochire ba utimi gina mu epie firi mu ahoche ne sen ade na akasa won akire wo de na ma won akire wo wadwene ya wo sa babia wo gina won akire wo no obi gina ha de pesika panimde apanyansa abubura ti wo so bi sa won say de na metimi ayo ahochire mire mu na masakra brabo hwe covid ba yi you said that Ghana for bebre na bi pam face mask na bi sanitizer ti say e bi di wo nyansa pesika covid mire mu wo mra na yade aba sebe yare ma bi san say de na hia ya de chim de na be hia ya wo china mu e de na be boa me wo china betimi ayo na mpunchu aba bo mu. Begin to think others and stop thinking about you. It's important to create a life for yourself, but the best thing is to have a signature for your life. E de na betimi ayo won sa betimi akora so say we ni nyina so ne me. Begin to have an identity for yourself. My mode no be ntwa no konka say eh ni pessimesi me ubo me din baby na no me ko baby monsieur di sin pu bia no on show da hotel meeting hotel na brabi crash bi ba he me din ha na ni sa na say crash adai e say ya say hu o say dra me nya kronfo wo na wa Adom TV no da onyame hira da me da se na kwanchira de ma me wo no ma chiro me din woni na adwen proso wo so wo bibia betimi aya obetwero wo din wo bi adwene po so a onipa so be ka say papa me danyame ase be nipa abrabo enye kasa me keke na ne yebi wo me si so no na me house boy e de ma papa bi o say ane na papa no o WHO na ne ma na o ka brofo pre na tama na me sum papa na me ka say me so me su abrofo ka e san o sum me ko sum papa no e ma me Kenya e menne minie abrabo adwene abadwene no ebedu benpenso a obeduru mini aha na me beja wo. You suffer because you are trying to be something you are not made to become. You suffer because you are trying to become something else. A cat can never be a dog. Neither can a cassava stick yield cocoa yam and empo bayre yam. Udi banchi du ya shafo mo a eso banchi adwene bi adbeche wadwene proso no eno wa ba na abeso adwene bia susuye biara ti timopo bi abefa bia enkenya bi abekenya ho no eno aba na abete sirima menhwe se wo ma anigye kura wo nedai na de pia bontene a woni ebe hyawo de anigye be hyawo ma brabo ebe wie peyo abusua enne so onyame ayadom emanu menu adwumade ya meja wa adwempa so meja wo odokwan so meja wo nimdie so meja wo anigye so na maja ahosepe so aha ena meja wo me Priscilla me producer na mada osmosis sound na mada me camera floor MCR ena lighting for ase kura wa wonya amrehwe me no ma TV no enkoso na ha na Badwam dwumadi na ekoso